Okay, so hi everyone, very good evening all of you. Welcome to the live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So I welcome you all over here, and yeah, how are you people doing? Okay. Hi Deepak, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good and even looking forward for everyone over in this live stream. Okay, Asha. Okay, hi Asha Food Products. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, Shiva Kumar ma'am, Fisher Data Analyst Resume Template. Okay, Shiva. ठीक है. इसके लिए what we will do, ठीक है, मैं I'll try to make a separate video इसके लिए, ठीक है, कि आप डेटा एनालिस्ट के रिज्यूम टेम्पलेट्स क्या क्या वर्कआउट करेंगी और कौन सी आप यूज़ आउट कर सकते हो. उसके लिए मैं एक सेपरेट से वीडियो आई ट्राई टू मेक दैट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. मे बी आप मंडे ट्यूसडे को इस वीडियो के लिए वेट आउट कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड एक्सेप्ट दैट नेक्स्ट सैटरडे, अपकमिंग सैटरडे जो हमारा होने वाला है, इन दैट हम लोग यहाँ पे आपके सीवी रिव्यू का लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे. सो आप लोगों ने जो भी सीवीज़ मुझे भेज रखे हैं उन सीवीज़ को मैं रिव्यू करके आई चेक आउट कि उसमें क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स हैं, सो दैट कि आप उनको रेक्टिफाई कर लो और आप अपनी ड्रीम जॉब से ड्रीम इंटर्नशिप्स में आप जा पाओ. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ वॉट हम लोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट सैटरडे. सो उस वीडियो के लिए यू कैन वेट फॉर मे बी अप टिल मंडे ट्यूसडे एंड यू विल गेट इट. Okay, and yeah, thanks a lot for your suggestions. Okay, hi Panchuriti. Okay, hi Ravi. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to live stream. Hi Niranjan. Hi, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, hi Kirti. Welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, yeah. Hi Ravi. Hi. Hi Ankit. Welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, is there any sort of a sound issue, guys? If you can help me out. Is the voice clear? Is the audio clear? Is there any sort of issues in the sound or anything like that? Oh, hi Asha. Okay, hi Om. How are you doing? Welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, 1 second. Is it okay everyone now? Okay, great guys, great, fine. Okay, so what we will do further, Okay, so today's we will be having up the okay, one sec. Actually, there is a sort of, I guess, some internet glitch or some internet issue. It might happen that my live stream suddenly gets stopped in between. Okay, so I'll start a new live stream very quickly. Okay, so if this live stream accidentally gets over or anything like that happens, you can just wait for 1-2 minutes. You'll get a notification for a new live stream has been started, and you can rejoin that new live stream, and they will be continuing up the project. Okay, so it might happen that this gets sort of maybe in between it might get stopped because of some internet thing. So yeah, okay, I'll just quickly connect to some other internet, and then I'll come back with a new live stream if it gets ends very quickly into the between. Okay, so you will just wait in for me, and I'll come back with the same. Great, everyone. So okay, fine everyone, fine. Okay, so hope you all are doing super good at your ends, everyone. So what we'll be doing is today we'll be trying to make up a cool Python project. Okay, so what's that Python project? So currently we all know that okay, fine, Om, thank you, thanks a lot for the confirmation. Om, thank you for the confirmation. Right, so our today's project, it's actually based over your making up of a project into which you'll be able to check out the scores of cricket match with the help of your Python programming. So we all know that currently a cricket match is going on, and there are different countries playing all over. So I know you all are quite very fond of cricket and everything right now. So what can be much better than getting up the details or getting the scores with the help of your Python, right? So nothing can be better than that. So that's what we'll be making up into this respective project of today. So let's get started up here very quickly, guys. Okay, so what is the very first thing that we require up? So the very first thing that we require up, so the very first thing that we require up over here is, guys, the installation of our respective library. Okay, now in Python we have a library which is mainly known as sports. Okay, so with the help of this respective library, what we will do, we'll try to basically install this first of all onto our device, and then we'll be using up this particular library for our project. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go on my terminal. Okay, so one sec. Okay, so yeah, here we have this terminal. Right, now what's needed up here, you will just write in the command that is pip install sports.py. Okay, one second. It's spor sports.py. Right, now that's the one thing which you have to do. Right, you just have to install up this sports.py library, pip install sports.py. Right, that's the thing which is to be done, and I'm gonna hit out enter. Now in that respective case, what it will do, it will very quickly install out this respective library for us over here. Right, so see, it is now showing me that the requirement has already been satisfied. Right, so my particular library has actually been installed up over here, which I need to use up. So therefore the command which I used was, it was pip install sports.py. Right, that was my particular command. Now what is next that is needed up here? Next, I'll be trying to write in some code and the things for that. Right, now I will first of all import up that particular library. Okay, so what I'll just write, I'll just very quickly write, one second. Yeah, I'm gonna write import Okay, 1 second. Sports. Okay, import sports. That's the respective thing which I need to do. That's the one which I need to import up over here. That is my sports library. So import, and then I'm gonna write up over here as sports, right? The one thing. Now for the next, what is needed? Next, I'm gonna go down and first for a girl. Now close this one. 1 second. Okay. Now what is the next thing that I'll do? I'll just try to very quickly try to make it up a variable over here. Let's say that's gonna be match info, right? Match info, right? Now with this respective variable, what I'll do, I'll just try to write in up the basically my library and everything. So it's gonna be sports dot get what sport you want this information for, right? So let's say I want the information for my respective sport, that is cricket, right? So I just very quickly entered that cricket into the respective variable, right? Great. So match info, that's my variable into which I have used up this sports particular this sports I'll say library, which we have right away imported. Right after that, I just use up a function which is get sport, and into that I'm writing up the sports name which I want, and for me that is cricket, right? Now I'm going to print up over here as match info, my respective variable name, match info. Fine. It will just help me to get in the simple any of the informations about my respective maybe respective whatever we are having up over here, right? Now further after this, we are what I'm going to do, I am going to import up one more thing basically, right? And that is, now this is the one thing which you have written. Now let's say what if I want continuous notifications of this particular sports, that is my cricket. I just want the information of a particular thing about the same. So I'm going to write up here from my pygame library, I am going to use up one respective function. So I'm going to write that from pygame import notification, right? So why I just have used up this notification, because it will very simply help me out to get in the notification of the scores of